Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can flip a frame into a Canva, right? So as you can see, we are into Canva here, and here we have just selected a blank image template, and in the elements we are just going to search for a frame, right? I'm going to click on see all, and here for example I have just chosen this particular frame, and here I'm just going to add an image. So I'm searching for couple image, what I have selected. Let me delete this. Okay, here I'm just going to search for couple image in the elements, and from the all I will select any of the image. For example, I am just going to drag and drop this image into this frame, right? Let me change the color of the template so that you can better understand. Okay, now we have successfully added an image inside the frame, and now we just want to flip this particular frame. So how you can do that? You can simply select this frame and then click on flip. Now you can have two options. Either you can flip this frame horizontally or vertically. Let me click on flip horizontal. So as you can see, our frame as well as our image both have been flipped together, right? And if we flip vertical, then our frame and image both have been vertical, right? Is it so? Or sirf, or only our image is getting flipped? Only our image is getting flipped. Sir, how I can flip the frame as well? So for that you just need to rotate this in such manner using this option, right? So in this manner you can simply flip your frame inside Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.